Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Lamborghini Aventador in Driving Empire. First, you need to launch the Driving Empire game on Roblox. Once you're in, take a moment to get comfortable with the controls and the game world. You'll start with a basic vehicle, but our goal is to work towards owning a luxurious Lamborghini Aventador. This journey requires dedication to earning in-game currency. To acquire your dream Lamborghini, you'll need substantial in-game cash. A great starting point is joining the Driving Empire Roblox group, which grants a 15% cash boost. For an even faster income, the VIP Game Pass offers a 50% money increase. Focus on completing daily quests and engaging in races, especially the Rush Hour event, which provides excellent time-to-money ratios. Grinding circuit races with a quick car can also yield hundreds of thousands of dollars hourly. Once you've accumulated sufficient funds, around $1.6 million for the Aventador SVJ, head to the in-game car dealership. Navigate through the available brands to find the Lamborghini section. Select your desired Aventador model, like the SVJ, and proceed with the purchase. Keep an eye out for special events or the Lamborghini Lab, as some exclusive Lamborghini models, such as the Urus SE or Fenomeno, have been obtainable through completing challenges there, sometimes even for free. Congratulations on your new Lamborghini Aventador. Now the real fun begins. Head to the customization shop to personalize your vehicle with unique paint colors and tuning kits. You can also upgrade performance parts, such as the engine and brakes, to maximize its speed and handling. Take your stunning supercar for a spin on the open highways, challenge other players in races, or simply cruise around and showcase your impressive ride. Enjoy the thrill of driving your dream car.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.